Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1. Subject English 2. Representing teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. Children, in our last video, we had learned about prepositions. Preposition is a word that tells us where a person, thing, place, or an animal is. Now there are some prepositions like in, above, between, after, on, under, across, before, behind, next to, in the middle, among, near, in front of, around, at. These are some examples of prepositions. In our last video, we had learned some prepositions, that is in, on, under, near, behind, between. So today we are going to learn some more prepositions. Children, read this sentence. The monkey is sitting on the tree. Here, on tells us where the monkey is. So, on is a preposition here. Next sentence, the moon is above in the sky. Here, above tells us where the moon is. So, above is a preposition here. Next sentence, the clouds are below the sky. Here, below tells us where are the clouds. So, below is preposition here. Next sentence, the postman is standing in front of the door. In front of tells us where the postman is standing. So, in this sentence, in front of is a preposition. Next sentence, the teacher is standing between the table and the chair. In this sentence, between tells us where the teacher is standing. So, between is a preposition here. Next sentence, Rohan is standing near the tree. In this sentence, near tells us where Rohan is standing. So, near is a preposition here. The aeroplane is flying over the building. In this sentence, over tells us where aeroplane is flying. So, over is preposition in this sentence. Next preposition, among. The cat is sitting among many caterpillars. In this sentence, among tells us where is cat sitting. So, among is preposition here. Next sentence, the yellow ball is lying among many blue balls. Here, among tells us where yellow ball is lying. So, among is preposition here. Next preposition, beside. The rat is beside the cheese. In this sentence, beside tells us where is rat sitting. So, beside is preposition here. Next preposition, around. The car is moving around the fountain. In this sentence, around tells us where car is moving. So, around is preposition here. So, children, these are some more examples of prepositions. Some prepositions are opposites to each other. For example, in, on, below, above, near, far, behind, in front of. So children, let's revise. Let's do some exercise. Guess correct answer from the given options. First sentence is, I need to concentrate dash my work. A. TO2, B. FOR, C. IN, D. on. So children, tell me which is the correct answer? Yes, on is the correct preposition. So the answer is, I need to concentrate on my work. Next sentence, he works dash an insurance company. Prepositions A. For, B. at, C. with, D. in. So children, tell me which is correct option? Yes, A. For. He works for an insurance company. Next sentence is, she spends hours dash the phone every day. A. at, B. on, C. in, D. off. So children, tell me correct answer. Yes, B is the correct answer. So she spends hours on the phone every day. Next sentence, you have to call the office dash once. A. in, B. on, C. at, D. for. So the correct answer is at. You have to call the office at once. So children, a word which shows the relation between two nouns in a sentence is preposition. Do practice at home. Thank you for watching the video.